Well, ladies and gentlemen, just a quick catch up. It's the middle of July now on my little cottage garden. As you can see, the hedge needs cutting. This will get done in the next few days. I need to borrow my friend's petrol hedge trimmer. There's no way that I'm using an electrical one on this. As you can see, nice view through there. My beautiful hollyoaks, looking really nice. Just take you through the gate here. Say I've not posted, been really busy lately. This beautiful fuchsia, look at those, man, absolutely divine. And the bees and butterflies love them. As you can see down here, beautiful hollyoaks. Most of these are self-seeded. I had probably 4 or 5 that I grew from seed originally, and these just self-seed and they look absolutely divine. I love the way the petals, as you can see there, the bees are really enjoying those. Nice lilies here. These, the scent on these is wow. These are my day lilies. These look really well. I've just given everything a really good water. It's forecast some showers, but you can never rely on what they're going to say. Yeah, look at these. Look at this. Lucifer, this one's called. I can see why. Look at the red there. Just get past here. Sorry about this, folks. Quick turn around. Look at these beautiful pinks. I call them pinks, the carnations. These smell divine as well. These are my lupins that have set seed. Got some white fly on them. What I'm doing this year, I'm trying not to use as many things to kill insects and flies, that sort of thing, pesticides. Trying not to use them unless I really have to. I'm hoping the ladybird larvae and the ladybirds themselves are going to eat them up for me. I mean, normally I spray for rust as well. As you can see, the flowers are nice, but the leaves are absolutely covered in it. But if I can cope with that bit of a mess, not too bad. As you can see, it needs weeding here as well. As we come round, these are just finished flowering. Just going to set seed. I shall cut that back to the bottom there, and I shall get a second flush of flowers off my delphiniums there. Beautiful. I love the colour of this one. Absolutely divine. And these, look at these. This body here has just been left. I planted my flowers there and I've just left them for Mother Nature to take its course. And I'm really pleased with how it's turned out. A few weeds in here, but generally not doing too bad at all. This is a Perennial Sweet Pea. There's no scent on it, but the flower is absolutely amazing. As I said, the Perennial Sweet comes back every year. Got these sticky bud weeds that need pulling out, but apart from that, I've just let everything go. Look at these foxgloves. Some of these are probably 6-7 foot high, and they've just set seed. Somebody asked me when can you tell they've set seed. Oh, I don't know if you can just hear that rattle. That's when you know you can collect them and keep them. These lilies again. I think I got these from the Harrogate Flower Show a few years back. They look really well. Oh, these yellow ones, wow, man. Gold, they're not yellow, they're gold those. As we come round, these are my peonies that are finished flowering. So they're looking really well. As we come down here, as you can see, look at the rust. This is because I have not sprayed them this year. Just thought I'd leave them, see if I can get by, see how well they cope. What I might be doing is just keeping the ones that do better against rust than the others, and gradually weed them out and just keep the ones that are really rust resistant in my garden. I think that's probably a good idea. As you can see here, you can hear those seeds rattling. Easter bonnet, Aqualegias, these. They're ready for collecting if you're going to collect those. We come down here. This is the beautiful penstemon. That's my beautiful penstemon, one of them. It's just starting to get ready for flowering. They've grown really well this year. My Agapanthus. I think these ones were from the pound shop. These are like a bluey colour. And these ones were, I bought 2 that were in 9cm pots from the Harrogate Flower Show a few years back. They've been left out this winter, which has meant that there's quite a lot of damage. But yeah, so this one has got 2 flowers on it, which I'm really pleased with. This one I'm just happy it's going to recover. What I will be doing with this one is taking it in definitely this winter. And this, as you can see, my Tipsy Plant Pot Tower, I'm really happy with this. It's only been planted up a few weeks and already, look at those. These were only tiny little plug plants when they went in. These, I think these were from Thompson & Morgan, these petunias. As you can see, what a show. Keep feeding them twice a week. Yeah, as you can see, my vertical planter is looking really well. Look at the petunias here. These were little tiny plugs from Thompson & Morgan. Put them in here, and within a few weeks, this is the show that you're starting to get. Absolutely brilliant. And in a few more weeks, this is just going to be, yeah, as you come round, this is my climber, Clotted Cream it's called. It's a jasmine, and the smell is beautiful. You go around the front, oh, the white flowers. I always forget the name of these, sorry about that, folks. I've got it on my website somewhere. But the, wow, the smell, the scent just wafts into the house. These are my peony in pots. These are finished flowering now. I just make sure they don't dry out, and I keep them well watered. These are my Data Cafe Ole cuttings, and they've all rooted and all taken really well. This is a beautiful pink, a Carnation I grew from seed last year, and this is the rest of my Agapanthus. Just want to get one up here just to show you. Yeah, this is the second year. I'm so pleased with these. Look at those. Yeah, really stocky, really well built. Yeah, just have a quick mosey around. Make sure you see all this. And that's it. That's a quick tour of my garden. And halfway through July. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you like it, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.